Did you know? Christmas celebrates the downfall and enslavement of black people, orchestrated by the so-called holiest man on earth. In parts of the Netherlands, Christmas celebrations still include blackface through a figure called Zwarte Piet, which literally means Black Pete. He appears as the servant of Saint Nicholas. This tradition emerged during the 1500s, a period when Pope Nicholas V authorized the enslavement of black people. Often referred to at the time as Moors, these decrees allowed Christian nations to conquer, enslave, and dominate black populations. Saint Nicholas represented authority and power. Zwarte Piet represented the enslaved, mocked, obedient, and turned into entertainment. Centuries later, the holiday crossed into America. Saint Nicholas became Santa Claus. Zwarte Piet disappeared, and the elves took his place. Small workers, living where they labor, making wealth for one figure at the top. Cheerful, silent, replaceable. The names changed, the costumes changed, but the structure stayed the same. Christians like to say it's okay to celebrate this day, but the Bible says otherwise in Jeremiah 10.